It is only by a change of your consciousness. Think about the stick figure. By actually changing your concept of yourself that you can build more, quote unquote, built more stately mansions, which means manifestations of higher and higher concepts, greater desires. And what he's saying is by manifesting is meant actually experiencing the things that you want, those results in your world. That's what manifesting means. Manifesting concepts and ideas into what you can actually live. It is of vital importance to understand clearly what consciousness is if this is the first cause substance here. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line. If you can remember, I did this with Creation is Finished chapter. I'm going to draw a line right here. It is only by a change of consciousness, by a change in your concept of yourself, that you can live greater desires and manifest what you want. It is only through a concept change of yourself that you can actually experience what you want. Remember we talked about concept of yourself 2 weeks ago. If you're on the call, some of you are new the last couple of weeks, it's okay. Go in the chat box and I encourage you, what's concept of yourself? What does that mean for you? It's so vital, so important, okay? Most of you remembered from 2 weeks ago what it was, but just take a guess, educated guess. Nothing's right, nothing's wrong. What would you say is, when we say concept of yourself, what does that mean for you? Liz, self-image? Like it. What does that mean for you? Concept of yourself. Bill, my self-image, how I really see myself if I'm honest with myself. Love it. Natalie, self-image. Art, totally in our beliefs. If you believe you're somebody of struggle, because you always have struggled, that's why it keeps happening. Or vice versa. If you're always somebody that's always been totally good, totally in flow, that's why it keeps happening. Self-belief, Armando, nice. Cool. Okay. So let's keep going. The reason that we need to understand consciousness lies in the fact that consciousness is the one and only reality. It is first and only cause substance of the phenomena of life. Nothing has existence for man save through the consciousness he has of it. Therefore, it is the consciousness you must turn if you want to accomplish your goals, for it is the only foundation on which the phenomena of life can be explained. Okay, so we're not going to go through too much through that paragraph. I just want to make another line here, separate everything. Next, if we accept the idea of a first cause, it would follow that the evolution of that cause could never result in anything foreign to itself. Okay, it's going to make a lot of sense. Let me go through the next 2 lines. That is, if the first cause substance, if something was causing light, and it is light, all its evolutions, all different ideas of light, all different brightnesses, all different things happening, its fruits and manifestations would remain light. It's part of the same thing. Okay? Think about water going and evaporating into the air, condensation, ice, all different forms of water. It's all water, but in different forms of the same substance. Okay? Same thing. So the first cause substance being consciousness of our life, all its evolutions, fruits, and phenomena must remain consciousness. So whatever's going on in this world, if we're experiencing different things, it must be as a result of a change in consciousness. It's just in a one form or a different form. The lackful man, the poverty man, the abundant man are just different forms of what we already have within. You already have the power. You already have the consciousness because that's how you're living, right? Bill, Adele, you already have the power. You don't have to try and go get it. It's already there. We have to rearrange what's going on internally for you to get it. It's not because you don't have a system. It's not because you don't have this, that, the other thing. I'm not saying, I'm just giving examples to Bill and Adele. It's the change within. We understand that, and I think everyone would agree. Liz, Adam, Ellie, just want to call out a few of you right on the top of the list here.